Well, tonight, Westlake Police are searching for teens caught on camera. Look at this. Slamming themselves against garage doors, and homeowners are now facing thousands of dollars in damages. Annabelle Childers is in Westlake with the details.
Run and then throw your body into a stranger's garage door. Those seem to be the only rules of the game.
I could hear it on the audio. They were laughing, so apparently for some reason they think it's funny.
If this is a joke or a prank, Eric Kaiser doesn't understand the form of humor. He preferred not to have his face on camera, but he shared with us the damage he's facing after 4 kids threw themselves into his garage.
Well, now look, I have thousands of dollars in damage. My door doesn't work. I have to park my cars outside. And then you have to find somebody to fix it, and then come and fix it. And yeah, it's a nuisance. It's a real nuisance.
A nuisance that's already cost him a few $100s for the temporary fix and will cost him thousands for a door replacement.
Doesn't appear they're trying to break into any house. They're trying to cause mayhem.
Westlake Police Captain Gerald Vogel says Eric Kaiser's garage is one of 4 damaged over the weekend in what appears to be an online trend.
Everything's circular on the internet. It comes back around, and these kids just caught wind of it and decided to act out this weekend.
Right now, police say they have a good idea of the people responsible, but they're still asking for the community's help in identifying them.
So many people have cameras now, you're not going to get away with it.
And when they are caught, these teens probably won't be laughing, as police plan to charge them with misdemeanor criminal damaging.
So we will identify them, and we will prosecute them as fully as we can.
And that's exactly what Eric Kaiser wants to see.
I hope somebody turns them in, or they turn themselves in eventually.
Now, Captain Vogel says an obvious concern is that there could be copycat behavior, but Westlake police officers are going to be doing extra patrols to try to curb any more behavior like this. Christy.
All right, good to know. Annabelle, thank you.